Good PM. Today is Saturday, January 6, 2024. And here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 6, 2024, Saturday. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result from Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Saturday, January 6, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Saturday, January 6, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.